We have already seen what the students experienced. This time, we look at the Marine Biology course 2026 from a different point of view, through the eyes of the faculty.
よかったと思います。
ありがとうございま
だ
す。
からね、U はあげようかなと思います。
ありがとうございます。
むっちゃ頑張ってた。で、最初来た時よりもね、積極的にやってたよね。
そうです。頑張りました。
夜は夜で。
The faculty were deeply impressed by the students. But why? What did the faculty see in them?
頑張りました。
夜は夜でみんな楽しんでたし、日中は日中で楽しんでやってたし、どこ行っても積極的にいろいろ話してたので、それが一番のなんていうかな、大事なところなので、積極的に英語喋って、で英語に慣れて、で国際力をつける。
They were not simply evaluating their English. They were looking at something deeper. How the students faced an unfamiliar environment. How they tried to communicate. And how they kept moving forward.
そもこの実習の目的とは何なのかっていうのは、やることとしてはあれですよね。ここの人たちにいろいろ助けてもらって、講義を英語での講義を受ける。でそれから、磯採集した生き物、プランクトンネットで採集した生き物を観察したり、それからダーシー、魚市場に行って変な魚を買ってきて、解剖学を学んだわけじゃないですか。でそれはいいんですけど、細かいいろんなことを知るのはいいんですけど、多分そういう、枠組みの中でありつつも、多分最終的な目標は、海外の人とか、あるいは普段いる大学の外の人に対して積極的にコミュニケーションできるとか、恥ずかしがらずに英語で質問してみるとか手を挙げるとか、そういうことができるようになるっていうのが、一歩前進、一歩ちょっと殻を破って外に出るっていうのが多分一つの大きな目標だったと思うんですけど、今日みんな達成したじゃないですか。もう完璧ですね。はい、そう思ってます。
ありがとうございます。
The students were no longer just receiving knowledge. They were sharing their own ideas in their own words.
Most of you seems to be very enjoy and try to understand and share your thoughts with on the respective aspect, just like your presentation this afternoon. Some were saying pure science, from diversity, from physiological science, and from marine zoology, but some of the groups will share with their respect for all the PIs in these stations. That's fantastic experience. I just thought about, you can express like this way. It's so fantastic.
Thank you.
That is why their comments were so strong. Not because everything was perfect, but because the students truly tried.
みんなその会見をまたもらって、で今後ずっと続いていってくれたらいいかなと。でまた来年誰か来るので、その時をまた交流を深めて、でまた別のところの国からもまた来るし、みんなでどんどん積み重ねていって、ネットワークね、人のネットワークを作ってくれたらなと思います。それが一番大事なので、今後それで頑張ってください。
はい、ありがとうございます。
For the next students, the message is simple. You do not have to be perfect. You only have to be brave enough to try.
Okay, so I would say be brave and do not afraid to make mistakes. Yeah, because definitely because English is not our mother tongue, first language. So inevitably we will make mistakes. Even for me, I make mistakes as I mentioned to you. So it's very important to speak out, to speak, and also try your best to communicate. I think that's the most important thing. You can take this opportunity to make any attempt for those new things. I think this is a valuable experience in your life. Yeah. So I actually admire you guys willing to take this opportunity to come here and learn new things, experience a totally different kind of environment, and speak, try to communicate with people in a very in English language. Yeah, I think this is very brave and yeah.